Alright, this is just a real quick video tutorial on how to add multiple items to a Dropbox in the Colorado Christian University eCollege website. First thing you're going to do is select the Dropbox option. Then you're going to click Submit an Assignment. Now at this screen, basically you're given this Submit to Basket option, and that's really what assignment you're submitting. So in this case we're going to submit this Lesson Plan 3 assignment. And this comment box here, it's big and it's huge, and it's really only used if you have to comment about the attachments that you're adding. So we haven't actually added any attachments yet, but let's say you had an attachment and you said, I sent the other one by email. You could actually put that in the comment box. Now if I click on Add an Attachment, I get this new screen, and it's divided up into two sections. Basically, step 1 is to select the file that I want to upload. Step 2 is where my attachments are. Now this is where you can actually put multiple attachments all at the same time. We're going to do that by just selecting Browse. We're going to find a document we want to upload, and then you're going to say Attach File. Now when you attach file, you'll see that in step 2 it's listing that file. But we're not done if we want to actually add a second document. We need to continue to add another file. So we're going to browse again. We're going to find a second document. We're going to click Open, and we're going to attach file. Now you will see that we have two documents listed in the Attach File section. So if that's all we want to submit, we can click on OK. This file still has not been submitted to this lesson though until we actually click the Submit button. Once we click the Submit button, the file is actually added to the Dropbox, and it's going to be put in this basket for that lesson. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. When you've completed it, it'll say your assignment was successfully submitted, and we can check that by looking at the assignments in the outbox, hovering over them, and you'll see that it lists the document. You can actually even double click those and open it. So that kind of explains some things. Now if you want to add, let's say, a third document to this lesson, you can't do it by clicking on Submit Assignment again. If you do that, it will erase the documents that are currently here. The only way to add a document to something that's already been submitted is by clicking on that document or that unit there in the lesson plan box, and it'll give you the option of saying Submit an additional assignment. That's the only way you can add a third or a fourth assignment to it without erasing all the previous assignments. So hopefully that clarifies a couple options. It's really not too hard once you get the hang of it, but I have in the past in experience deleted some of my assignments or made them so they weren't visible, and paid for it dearly. So try to make sure you follow some of those steps. It'll help you out.